Guys, I want to first apologize. I thought my camera was on and it wasn't. This is the freebie file for day 9 of signs for the 12 days of Christmas. Excuse me. And all I did was paint it with acrylic paint. And you can paint it solid red. If you want to use spray paint, use spray paint. It's your sign. Make it like you want. But I just used acrylic paint, paint it red, and then you're going to paint the center board black. Okay? And if you you want to get down in the cracks too, because those slats show. It depends on your sign. If your sign is tight together, you don't have to worry about that. And you can see this one board is offset. It's supposed to be, I guess. That's the way that it's made, because these two are even. And I'm good with that. I think all of them are made like that. You can get some that aren't offset. But mine is offset. And I kind of liked it for this project. So the next thing I did after I painted it is I'm getting my ruler and I am going to measure, because I have one that's off, at the 7.5, because it's 15.5 roughly, and I marked the bottom board. Then I'm going to turn my ruler the other way and line it up on the line here and this line here to get my center mark of this, because I can't go end to end on it because it's offset and I will end up in the wrong spot. It will be off. So, because I want my design to be center. So the next thing you do is you're going to need some blackboard vinyl. And you can get this, I think that you can still get this at Cricut. If not, you can get it at Brilliant Vinyl. And I'm going to mark, I forgot to mark my line on there. It's 3 inches, so I am going to just put a little mark at 1.5. Okay? And then do the same on the bottom. And you really won't need transfer tape for this piece because it's so small. And I'm just going to do a little line, 1.5. And that's going to help me line it up on this line. And then I can just bring it up. And I got my lines to go by. I'm looking up here and down at the bottom. And then we're just going to stick that right down on the center. And I know that you can't really see it right now. Got it a little bit crooked. I'll trim that off with my True Control knife. If you get it crooked, you can run your True Control knife right in there and trim that off. Place that down. And now we have our buckle. So, let's go ahead and grab our words. For those of you who are new, who does not know what weeding is, I'm just going to weed part of this, and then I'm going to pause the camera and come back. You will need your transfer tapes for this, most definitely. I'm just cutting my design apart here. If you want to use a weeding box, you can use a weeding box. And all that is attaching your design to a square. That's all it is. And then you can just pull it out. You have to cut your backing anyway, so I just don't use them much anymore. Alright, so to weed, you're just going to get your weeding tool. You're going to start up in that corner, and you're just going to wiggle it as you weed and pull it back. This is 651, I believe. Yes, in matte white. White and black are the only 651s that come in matte. All the others are glossy. And if it tears on you, just go in and get those little pieces. And then you're ready to transfer. So let me finish weeding. I may as well just stay on camera. It didn't take that long, did it? I'll do this one. This one's a little trickier. It's got some curvier lines. So you can see right there. You can just use your weeding tool and kind of help lift that out. And here as well. And then you're just going to wiggle it. Help it along on that T. That O. And then it's done. So now we're going to transfer it. Let me get the sticky off of my fingers. You may hear my dog squeaking her toy in the back. I'm sorry. I do work from home. Okay, and that's too short to use, but I can use it again. So I'm just going to use the same R tape because I have it out. You can use your Cricut transfer tapes, whatever you have. They will all work. You don't have to burnish hard, guys. Oops, I left the center of my A, didn't I? And then you're just going to stick it down. And move this one to the side. Super, super simple and easy, except when you wrinkle your vinyl. I didn't even see me do that. Pull that up. Didn't burnish hard, so I should be able to fix that. If not, worst case scenario, I'm cutting another H. Maybe. I might be able to salvage it. There we go. Alright, and so that completes your sign, and this is chalkboard so that you can go in. Now I'm just going to mark mine, and I think alcohol will take this off. This is close to, that's my embossing, not my embossing. This is my Stampin' Up! Chalk marker, and I'm just going to use that to put 12, and that's the 12 days to go to Christmas, so that you can use this and decorate this up any way that you want, and the chalkboard marker will wipe off. So tons of fun that you can have with this.